You are going to rent a paddle boat. There is a $6 charge to rent the paddle boat, plus $3 per hour. If you have $15, how long can you rent the paddle boat for? Okay, so we know there's a $6 charge up front. And then the hourly rate is $3 per hour. And then we don't know how many hours, but we have a total of $15. And see, I'm just kind of organizing the information here. So we want this to be equal to, and see, I'm kind of building an equation. I know the total amount of money spent has to equal $15 at the most. And $6 is going to be gone right away because there's a flat fee of $6. And then whatever's left, you have $3 per hour, and then times how many hours, we don't know. That has to equal the $15 combined together. So we don't know a value here that we're trying to figure out. We're going to use a variable to represent that. So it's going to be 6 and then plus 3 times x, which is the number of hours you're going to rent the paddle boat. We don't know what that is. But that combined together has to equal 15. So we have 6 plus 3x equals 15. Now we want to figure out what this x is. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Like that. And so I'm going to 6 minus 6, that makes 0. So those are opposite pairs. And then so I'm going to bring down the 3x, that doesn't change. And then 15 minus 6 is 9. So my new equation is 3x equals 9. So if I want to know what x is, I have to divide both sides by 3. So the 3's cancel. 3 times x then divided by 3, we have x equals 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So that means 3 hours. Okay, so that's an equation method. Now let me show you a separate method using blocks. So this first block is going to represent $6, and then this one is going to be the hourly cost. That's the part we don't know. So those two added together equals $15. We'll put a block for that too. Okay, so the $6 fee plus the hourly cost is going to equal $15. Now the $6 is going to come right out of the $15. So if we take out the $6, we're going to take that away also, and that means the hourly cost is going to be equal to $9, because the $9 is what's left when you take away the $6 flat fee. So if you know it's $3 per hour, so 3 times what number makes 9 is basically what you're asking, because you have, for the hourly charge that you're going to pay, you have $9 total, and you know it's $3 per hour. So you know basically 3 times 3 is 9, and you're going to have to go for 3 hours. So this is another way to do the same type of thinking. So instead of just using an equation, I use some blocks and just kind of work through the process, but the math steps are pretty much the same, because I had the 6 plus, and then to subtract or get rid of that $6 block or take that out of the 15, so I subtracted here, and my first step up top was subtracting. My next step was dividing, and that's really what I did here, because I said, okay, there's $9, and then how many hours can I do $3 per hour? So that's why I got the 3 hours. So it's 2 different representations, same math steps.